Okay, so I'm going to do a PA on New Zealand USD. So let's see the currency strength. Initially is New Zealand -7, US 7 on the daily time frame, and on the 4 hour time frame is New Ze 4 hour time frame. New Zealand is still is 1, and USD is -7. So it's a retracement trade. Then as we can see, this 1 hour, there's this huge resistance over here, and when the price coming into this level, this huge level over here. Oh, it's exactly actually not think about it. We have tried. Then when price came in here, the volume increases quite a lot here at 9:15. When it fails, maybe you can try because of this increase in volume, and this strong resistance over here. Maybe if I put here, I could have shot until here. It's like 3R, 3R, because of this strong resistance. You can see that for me, I entered over here. I was waiting for a pullback to this level, but attempting to buy here. But as you can see, this is a trend continuation on a daily time frame, so it will take time to digest all this movement. So when it came down here, maybe it will come up, then you shut down again tomorrow, which take a lot of time and took time to digest. So you just get out the position over here when it came down. It's okay. I'll say it's a good trade. Target here is okay. It's kind of like a 2R trade. For me, what I went down the 1 minute and I showed seen the pullback came down strong. I just put a stop loss here. Then write it down to this level here. Then it's a 2R trade also. It's trend continuation. So this structure might be a channel again, but this is a trend. Now I'll make a lower high, no, lower low. So when it came back down, then could have short tomorrow lah, New Zealand USD in the morning. Let's see where the price brings us to tomorrow morning. Then any entry wise, first entry this level I didn't anticipate at this resistance level. So when it came down, we have confirmation and came back up here. I put a small stop of 5 p. If you put such a big stop, it's kind of hard to play or hard to justify. So we put a small stop here. Let's train myself to play in terms of R. When this guy came down, I didn't buy immediately. I let the sellers try, and the buyers try again. Come out here. It fails. I bought this level. Put a stop loss here. Take it down to this level 2R. Get in, get out. Correlation timing wise, I would say okay. Timing is like after stock open with high increasing in volume. So after stock open, correlation wise, now it's a V formation, so waiting for the test on the higher time frame. If break a new high, that means we still have to wait again. So that's why we see the price action tomorrow. Although I say a good trade. What can be done better? Incorporating correlation. And this level is like very aggressive kind of level. I mean, it's okay to try lah. With just normally I like to see is like a green traffic light means very high volume. I think it's okay to try and get very high hours. But it's okay lah. It's 9:30 instead of 10:30. So I really like to trade after 10:30. Yep. Okay, that's all. I think that's all for the trade lah. Look good. Let go. Look good. Yeah. What else can be better? Track areas like here got people buy. Yeah. Then here got track areas. Small trap that's why I just put a stop out here. Buy. Got eaten now. Come here, they release the position go down.